What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Clover, which has taken quite of a turn. It has been dropping in value over the last couple of days, as you guys can see here. Currently trading at just under 7 cents and has dropped about 20% in the last 24 hours alone. So what is next for Clover? Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up probably over the next week, by the end of November, going into December as well? And looking at its prediction for the rest of the year, what can we expect from the crypto? Is it still a good investment? Should you avoid it, or should you keep holding on to it before it pumps back up, potentially near about the 20 cents later on in December? So we'll be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, in my previous update on Clover, I did expect it to go for a price correction towards the end of last week and early this week. And I did say, do expect it to more or less drop down to the red or green zone. And that is exactly what's happening right now. But let's hide this for now and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we literally have the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Clover towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Clover by the end of the day. It should be dropping down to the lower part of the 6 cents or just below 6 cents, guys. So do expect more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours, and for it to drop down a little bit further before pumping back up in value by mid to end of this week, so over the next couple of days. So let's move on to the hourly chart here. Over the next few days, we have the blue and the orange line. They look like they are going in a straight line. However, the blue line is slightly slanting towards the bullish direction, going in a bullish direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Clover over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Clover should be hovering over the 10 cents target, is what my predictions are at the moment. However, I do keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Clover, so if there are any major updates or major news I come across, I will of course keep you guys updated on what to expect and what to predict, not just on Clover but the crypto market in general. We can see Bitcoin has started to slowly increase in value once again, up to over $92,000 right now. So this should push the crypto market in a bullish direction. Hopefully towards the end of this week, we should also see Bitcoin heading closer to $95,000, meaning it should be able to hit a new all-time high, and this should have a positive impact on the majority of the cryptocurrencies. So moving on to the daily chart now, over the next couple of weeks, the blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very bullish. However, that is not realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, towards the end of the year, early January 2025, I'm expecting Clover to be heading closer to the 18 to 19, well, let's say 20 cents target is where I'm expecting it to head up to by the end of this year and early next year. Potentially just over 20 cents is what I'm expecting. However, is a little bit too early. Again, anything can happen in between that time, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market. So guys, if you want to stay in the loop on major updates and predictions, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. But at the moment, that is my take on Clover. I'm not going to go overboard and say it's going to hit 40, 50, 60 cents, because we have to be realistic here. We have to take the dips into consideration. It's not just about green candles and pumps. Yes, price corrections do happen, like I did predict it to happen to Clover, and that is exactly what's happening. So yes, I can hype it up saying it's going to hit 50 cents, 60 cents, but that is not accurate and it's not realistic. So we have to keep it real, guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So literally let's have a look here on the 16th of November, which was 3 days ago, the crypto broke out from the red zone all the way up into the top tier level with zero resistance. And when I made a video on this, I did warn you guys, that is not sustainable. It is likely to go for a price correction. It has to dip back down over the coming days, and that is exactly what's taken place. And it is likely to drop further down into the green zone, hitting the resistance level here over the next couple of hours before it potentially bounces back up, heading back up over for the rest of November and December as well. But yeah, that is my prediction on Clover, a slow and steady increase in value over the coming days and weeks as well after the price correction finishes. However, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. We do expect the odd red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take dips in between. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has also dropped quite a bit over the last 24 hours, down 57%, guys, at the moment, $82 million. So most people, majority of you guys, are holding back, waiting for it to crash further or to pump back up in value so that you can start trading the crypto. And yes, that's one of the main reasons why the trading volume has dropped quite heavily over the last 24 hours. Over the week, it is still up 122%. However, since the 16th of November, as you guys can see, it has been clearly declining in value, and it's likely to last another 12 to 14 hours before it slowly starts to head back up in value. But again, I will keep you guys updated if there are any major updates. Now it's your turn to let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Clover to hit in 2024? Is it going to recover? Is it going to keep crashing? What is next? You guys let me know. I've told you guys what my predictions are. Now it's your turn. And yeah, that is my take on Clover, guys. Make sure to comment down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.